are going to take a look at the Amazon rainforest. It's the biggest one in the entire world. More than half is in Brazil. They speak Portuguese and many other languages. It's completely been invaded. Cutting down trees, burning trees, shouldn't do that. It'll be harming Earth. And now next one, we can also figure out so many human and plant species. So many more, like plant species, bird species, types of fish, mammals, types of insects. Let me show you how much. 4,000 plant species, 1,030, 300 bird species, 300 types of fish, 430 mammals, and 2.5 million types of insects. Wow, that's a lot of insects. And here are some of the animals. One, a toucan. They're endangered animals. And next, a jaguar, which is on my Nassim International t-shirt. And next one I'm going to go with you is really filled with poison. A poison dart frog. Because it's called poison dart, it has filled with poison. It's filled with poison that can poison you. And last, the biggest fish in the entire ocean. A tarantula. I call it that. I get a little mixed up with the words. And it's a I forgot the name. And this is the biggest fish in the world. If you can read this sign, you would know what I'm talking about. And now, the next one. We are also taking a look at that aurora borealis, or the northern lights. They're both the same. You know how it's created? You don't know yet. The sun creates heat, solar fire. It goes through the solar wind, goes through here and gets through Earth. It can't go through here because the Earth has a magnetic force field like a magnet. And it always goes, when it's here, force field goes right here. And procures right here and here. It's sum up for many planets. And it looks so beautiful. Like that. You can find them near North Poles and Antarctica. And Antarctica. There are many colors. Violet, purple, green, blue, so much more. And it looks really good from outside Earth too. Look! It looks so beautiful. And that's it for today. Bye!